With the cost of living rising, it's becoming increasingly difficult to make ends meet with a traditional 9-to-5 job. Fortunately, the internet has given us more options for earning extra income than ever before. With the help of technology, there never before has been so many opportunities to make money, and from the comfort of your own home. Welcome to The Stash. In this video, we will be exploring 10 unique ways to make $500 a day or more online. This video will provide you with all the information you need to start earning tons of cash from the internet. And if you stick with us till the end, we will share a strategy for making $20,000 to $50,000 a month. So let's get started. Number 1. Online surveys. It might sound too good to be true, but there are actually many online surveys that can earn you hundreds of dollars. In fact, there are so many surveys available that you're bound to find one or two that fit your interests and demographic. And unlike some of the other side hustles on this list, taking surveys is a mindless way to make money. It's something you can do in your free time while you're watching TV, cooking dinner, or waiting in line at the grocery store. All you need is a phone and an internet connection. For example, there is a company called Swagbucks, which is an online platform where you can earn points that you can redeem for gift cards, coupons, and real cash via PayPal. You earn points by watching videos, playing games, answering survey questions, taking daily polls, online shopping, and surfing the web using their search bar. If you refer your friends to the site, you'll earn even more points. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash in your free time, online surveys are a great option. Just make sure you stick with good survey sites to avoid the scams. Click on the link below to get started. Number 2. Paid testing. Similarly to online surveys, user testing is a great side hustle if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash from your mobile phone. Companies will pay you to test and review their products at home. All you have to do is provide honest feedback on the items, and you can easily earn extra cash. For example, Pinecone Research focuses on product tests for items that haven't been introduced to the general public. It pays via points in exchange for completing questionnaires about the products the company sends to you. You can then redeem your points for cash, gift cards, or brand name merchandise. This type of side hustle is great for those who are tech savvy, since you'll need to be able to comprehend the product and how it's used. It's also important that you're able to provide accurate reviews without bias. But if you have the right skills, this could be a great way to bring in extra cash while still having free time. Number 3. Make money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is one of the most exciting ways to make money online. In a nutshell, it's digital money that you can buy, sell, and trade on the internet. For example, Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency. And if you're willing to invest some time to learn about it, you can make some serious money. But how exactly you make money with cryptocurrency? You can buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies at a lower price, and then hold on to it until the price goes up and then sell it for a profit. You can also look for opportunities to buy alternative cryptocurrencies that don't get as much attention but have huge potential for growth. The key is to do your research and find out which coins have the most potential, and then invest in them before they take off. And if done correctly, you could easily be making an extra income from cryptocurrency investments. And while you are already investing in crypto, why not make even more money back on purchases you are already making? The Social Good app allows you to earn up to 100 crypto cash back at your favorite online stores like eBay, Home Depot, and Walmart. You'll get points for every dollar spent, which you can then exchange for crypto. You will also automatically earn up to 15% interest on staking rewards on all the SG you hold, or you could also exchange SG for other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and USD Tether, because SG is listed on major exchanges. It is free, simple to use, and secure, with over 70 registered patents. Start earning up to 100 crypto cash back by clicking the link in the description of this video, and as a new user, you'll receive a 100 sign-up bonus. Number 4. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great way to make extra money, and you don't need any prior experience to get started. With the right skills, knowledge, and dedication, you can easily make an extra $500 a day or more. There are countless opportunities for freelance writers and the potential for unlimited growth in the field. Plus, you can work from anywhere with just an internet connection. Freelance writing is an incredibly rewarding side hustle that offers limitless possibilities and financial freedom. Freelance writing is becoming an increasingly popular way to make money online. With a wide variety of online job boards, Upwork, and freelancer.com, it's easy to find a writing gig that fits your skills and interests. Number 5. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can complete a variety of tasks for your clients, such as managing their schedules, responding to emails, and doing basic research. You can also help people plan parties, work on personal projects, or create marketing materials. You can easily make $30 an hour or more. You can find virtual assistant jobs on websites like FlexJobs, Indeed, Upwork, and freelancer.com, or you can start your own business. If you're looking for something a little less time-consuming, consider becoming a social media manager. As a social media manager, you would be responsible for creating and publishing content on behalf of your clients, managing their social media accounts, and responding to comments and inquiries. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. You've probably heard about affiliate marketing, but what exactly is it? Basically, it's when you promote products and services on your blog or website, and you get paid when someone purchases something through your link. This can be really lucrative because your earnings can quickly add up when you get a lot of clicks and conversions. To make the most of it, make sure to join an affiliate program that pays out every month and read the terms of service before signing up so that you know exactly how much money you'll make on each click. And most importantly, make sure that the products or services you're promoting align with what your audience needs. That way, your readers will trust you enough to purchase through your links. You could end up making anywhere from $50 to $2,000 a month, depending on the side gigs that you take on. So why not give it a try? Number 7. Selling digital products and courses. There's a massive market for digital products like ebooks, templates, and online classes. With platforms like Teachable and Thinkific, it's easy to create products that teach people what you have mastered. Digital products give you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Once people pay for your product, they will be given instant access to your course or program. Are you an expert in something? Maybe web design, fitness, marketing, or finance? If so, this is an amazing opportunity for you to monetize your expertise. Number 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great side hustle if you want to make some serious money in a short amount of time. It involves selling products for more than you bought them. All the work is done from your phone, and all you need to do is find a supplier and then send out the orders when customers bought from you. To be successful with dropshipping, you'll need to find high-quality products that people want to buy and at prices they can afford. Start small by looking on popular websites like Amazon or eBay and look for items that are inexpensive but in high demand. Once you have your list of potential products, you can set up a store online and start making sales. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's an easy way to make money without having to handle the product yourself or worry about any customer service issues. It's all done automatically through the supplier or platform. You just sit back and watch the money roll in. If you are looking to dropship products using Amazon to hold your merchandise, Jungle Scout is an amazing software program available to help you with picking the right niche products where there is a demand to sell based on customer data on Amazon. Use the link below to get started. Number 9. Social media influencer. Are you an influencer? With the right strategies and tactics, you could make some serious cash by leveraging social media. Chances are, if you got a following already, there are ways to monetize it. With the rise of digital media, YouTube and TikTok have become incredibly popular platforms for content creators to make money. By creating videos, content creators can earn money from ads and sponsored content. With ad revenue and sponsorships, they can even make a living off their channel. Not only does this provide entertainment to viewers all over the world, but it also provides creators with a lucrative source of income. Number 10. Blogging. Last but not least, blogging is an amazing way to make some extra cash, and it's easy to get started, but takes a lot of time and dedication. This isn't a side hustle where you can start making money overnight. However, it's easy to get started, and you can do it directly from your phone or laptop. With hard work and dedication, you can make money in no time. The key to success is finding a topic that you're passionate about and build an engaged audience around it. Once you've established yourself as an authority on that topic, you can easily monetize your blog by including affiliate links, selling courses or products, and more. You can also set up Google AdSense on your website for additional income. For example, Ryan Robinson's blog, ryrob.com, reaches an audience of 500,000 plus monthly readers on topics related to blogging, marketing, SEO, writing, business, and freelancing, and earns between $20,000 to $50,000 per month. So there you have it. Of course, you can always try out multiple hustles at once to make even more money. And remember, these are just some ideas to get you started. There are plenty of other side hustles out there that can help you make some extra cash. So get creative and start making some money. Thanks for spending some time with us today at The Stash. We're so glad you did. And if you found value in today's video, please give us a like. Hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. And don't forget to subscribe.